The FLIR Pathfinder is a powerful automotive thermal camera that drivers use to help them see at night. It lets you see people, animals, other vehicles, and many roadside hazards in total darkness long before you would see them with your headlights. This installation video will help you to install your Pathfinder system. While the Pathfinder thermal camera is unlike any camera you've used in the past, its basic operation is simple. You supply 12-volt DC power, and it outputs composite video. The Pathfinder installation kit includes the camera, a simple mounting bracket, a 25-foot camera power and video cable, a video adapter cable, and a high-quality Safety Vision 7-inch monitor with mounting hardware and with its own power and video cable. The cable lengths provided should be long enough for most installations. Your Pathfinder should be installed by an experienced automotive or truck accessory service center. A professional accessory shop has the tools, skills, and resources to complete the installation properly. Lay all of the parts out and inventory them before you begin the installation. The installation will require additional electrical connectors, wire management hardware, and other common consumable materials that do not come with a kit. Decide where you will install the camera and monitor before you start drilling mounting holes to ensure that the mounting bracket you have will do the job. The thermal camera should be placed outside on the driver's side with the lens fully exposed and as high on the front of the vehicle as possible. Cameras placed below the bumper will be subject to harsh road debris and stone chips, which can damage the lens. Placing the camera higher on the vehicle, behind the grille, or behind a section of the body that will provide a view of the road ahead is best. The higher you mount the camera on the vehicle, the farther you'll be able to see. If the mount that comes with your installation kit won't work for the mounting location you select, we suggest using a ram mount. Ram mounts are rugged, affordable, and offer extraordinary flexibility for most installations. Install the camera mount and then loosely install the camera in the mount. Don't tighten the camera in the mount yet, as you'll need to fine-tune the camera's pointing angle once you have everything connected. Install the monitor using one of the mounting methods shown in the Safety Vision Installation and User's Guide. It includes a universal bracket that will accommodate most installations. Additional mounting solutions are available through Safety Vision. Once you mount the camera and monitor, route the cables that connect the camera and the monitor. Secure the cables with zip ties or other suitable cable management hardware that you supply. To connect the Pathfinder and the monitor to your vehicle's power, connect the Pathfinder's red power lead to the monitor's red power wire just behind the 5-amp fuse. Once red power wires are secured together, connect the red powered lead to a suitable 12-volt power source. There are a few different ways you can do this. You can connect the red power lead to an accessory bus so that your Pathfinder is on whenever the ignition is on. You can connect the system to the headlamp circuit so that the Pathfinder comes on whenever you turn your headlights on. Or you can install the Pathfinder to a dedicated power switch. Connect the black wires from the Pathfinder and the monitor to suitable grounds. The green wire is a trigger for automatically enabling a backup or side view camera and is not used in this installation. If you intend to add a backup camera, refer to the Safety Vision Operator's Manual for instructions on how to enable this feature. The monitor's wiring cable has two video connectors. The long lead end connects to the monitor, and the short lead end will connect to an extension adapter that will join to the B&C connector on the end of the Pathfinder cable. These connections have arrows on them to help you line them up. They're designed to seal tightly, so you'll feel a pop when they're joined properly. The cables provided with the kit are probably longer than you'll need. Don't cut the cables to length. Bundle this extra cabling together and stow it securely out of the way. The video cables are shielded, and we don't recommend trimming the cables unless you have experience terminating video cables. Terminating video cables improperly can introduce noise in the video signal, resulting in degraded image quality. Double-check all of your connections before you turn on your Pathfinder for the first time. Reversing the polarity on the camera or monitor will damage both systems. With all of your connections checked, turn on the Pathfinder and the monitor. The next step is to align the camera and tighten the brackets. Park the vehicle on a flat surface, ideally next to a road without traffic. Tilt the camera vertically so that the bottom edge of the view is well in front of the vehicle. Many people align the Pathfinder so that the horizon is in the top third of the image. Once you're satisfied with all of your adjustments, tighten all of the brackets and double-check that all of the wiring is securely stowed and is not interfering with other systems. You might benefit from parking on the side of a busy road, turning on the system, and familiarizing yourself with your Pathfinder's imagery. Warmer objects appear white and cooler objects look darker. You'll see pedestrians, animals on the side of the road, cars that are hot, and some that appear cool. You'll see the world like you've never seen it before. Remember, you're looking at thermal energy, not light. When driving, remember that the Pathfinder is a driver's vision enhancement tool, not a replacement for headlights. Use the Pathfinder to supplement your night vision, not as a primary navigation tool. Instead, refer to the video screen from time to time, the same way you would a rear-view mirror. We suggest that you do not try to interpret what you see initially, but instead react to what you see as you would a radar detector warning. If you see something in the roadway, slow down and proceed with caution. Please feel free to call us at any time with questions or comments at 877-773-3547 or visit us at fleer.com.